Okay, here's my Lovely Bell Bakes super soft sandwich bread. It took me 3 minutes total with the whisk. 1 minute without the salt and the yeast. And like my first batch, I let it rest for 10-15 minutes. Came back, I mixed for another 2 minutes. I couldn't do it totally on high. Once the mixer starts to kind of rock and it comes together, you don't want to do that. I'll actually show you what it looks like because it's still in there. This is what the dough ends up looking like when it comes out. It's just so cool. See that? It's just beautiful. And then I turn the whisk, usually upside down, to get the dough out. Okay. Because it's easier to get your dough out, or anything really that's in your whisk, when you bring it to the bigger sections than it is at the bottom where they all interlace. Okay. And wet your hands. Like that. This is the hardest part of making bread with a whisk, is getting the dough off of it, and it's not hard. Okay. It's actually kind of fun to play with. Now the verdict is still out on how this mixes up versus what I did with the dough hook. I really thought, oh, I'll just use the dough hook. My whisk was in the dishwasher, and well, they said you could get a windowpane in like 6 minutes, and I was like, I'll check it out. And I've had windowpane in pretty quick amount of time with the dough hook, but nothing like this. This dough is just so fun, so stretchy. It's like, look at that. If your dough stretches up out of the bowl like an arm's length before it breaks, you got good gluten development. This is so exciting.